In this video, I want to share with you a change that I'm going to be making to this channel and one trending niche that I found that is starting to sell on Merch by Amazon. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now before I get into the change and the niche, let's just go ahead and do a quick sales update. So yesterday I had 17 sales, did $40, and it was like my first day almost all month where I didn't have any returns, so 0 returns, so that was kind of cool to see. Today is actually pretty slow. I don't know what's going on. Only 5 sales, $5. It's 4:40 p.m. in the afternoon, so hopefully things can pick up so I can at least end with somewhat of a good day. But that is going to put me at $878 for the month. And Black Friday is right around the corner, so hoping to end this month on a high note. But now let's go ahead. Oh, and if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales, you can see right here. The link is in the description. I just posted my my payday actually for Merch by Amazon. But yeah, you can see I post my daily sales. I also post my sales from Etsy, entrepreneur pics, gym pics, and just kind of like my life down here in Mexico. So if you're interested, follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description. Okay, now let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So the change that I'm going to be making to the channel is, you guys might have remembered that like a month or two ago, I actually opened up a second channel just for Etsy content. And now that I'm monetized, I don't really want to do that anymore. I'm just going to basically add Etsy content to this channel. So on this channel, there's going to be Merch by Amazon content and Etsy content. The reason why is because I don't want to spend like another year and a half putting up content on my second channel for Etsy and wait a year and a half to get monetized, because it took me about a year and a half to get monetized for this channel right here. And so, I'm going to be putting out all that content on that new channel and not making any money on it. So I might as well just put that Etsy content on here, because it's kind of similar to Merch by Amazon. It's print on demand, basically trending niches, things like that. And I'll be able to make some income on it. So from now on, the channel is going to be, I'm still going to do all my Merch by Amazon content, all the same stuff that I've always done, but I'm also going to add in some Etsy content as well. So it's probably going to be like a merch video, Etsy video, merch video, Etsy video, something like that. And then the way you'll be able to tell whether it's a merch video or Etsy video, the merch videos are still going to have the red thumbnails, and the Etsy videos are going to have the orange thumbnails. All right. So comment below. Let me know what you think. If that's a good idea, bad idea. But basically, it's just because now that I'm monetized, I want to be making money from my content. I don't want to have to wait a whole year and a half or a year or whatever, to start making money on the content from Etsy, basically. All right. So I hope you guys can understand that. But now let's go ahead and get into the niche that I found. This is going to be a quick little video. I'm actually going to California tomorrow. So you won't have any content from me for about a week or so. So I just wanted to leave you with one good niche that I found, and you might have seen it actually on my other video. I kind of hinted towards it, but maybe you weren't paying attention. And it is this niche right here, and it is the Mardi Gras Cruise 2024. So we got Mardi Gras coming up in February. I think it's like the day before Valentine's Day. So now that, Thanksgiving is right around the corner, we got Christmas, we got to start thinking of the next holidays that are coming up. So, the big one is going to be Valentine's Day, but there's also Mardi Gras. And Mardi Gras is a big party that they do in the South, Fat Tuesday. And in this niche that we're doing, we're taking Mardi Gras, we're cross-niching it with cruise, and lately I've been doing really well with these cruise shirts. You can just take cruise 2024 and just cross-niche it with almost any type of holiday, whether it's Halloween, Thanksgiving, girls trip, locations, Bahamas, things like that. But here's Mardi Gras Cruise 2024. There's only 67 results. When I go to the second page, there isn't a third page, so I have to go to the second page. There's still only 67 results. And, there's just barely any competition, because a lot of these are just regular Mardi Gras cruise shirts, but there's a couple that already have this 2024. And look at this one. It's got a 66 BSR in the Climate Pledge Friendly category. This one right here, 2024. I don't know what the sister is. Maybe they're cross-niching it even more. But where you see it is selling. This one already has a review. If you just do a Google search for like Mardi Gras Cruise 2023, you'll see that there's a bunch that have sold. So, I got some sales. All right, there we go. Okay, cool. So yeah, that is the niche. It's Mardi Gras Cruise, cross niche with 2024. It's already selling. If we go to Etsy and take a look at the competition there, we are going to see that it's very low in competition. So Mardi Gras Cruise 2024 on Etsy, only 539 results. And honestly, I don't even really see any ones that are actually, I guess mainly just all 2023. So this could be a good opportunity for us on Etsy. Comment below if you are selling on Etsy. I think the majority of you guys are just on Merch by Amazon, but honestly, Etsy is the platform that I make the most money on out of all my 17 income streams. If you want to know my 17 income streams, I'll link a card up in the top here, because I don't just do print on demand. That's kind of like my main thing, but I also have some other like income streams like books, courses, YouTube, things like that. And if we go to Redbubble, take a look at the competition. Now, when I did Mardi Gras Cruise 2024, only one result popped up, so I just figured I'd just do Mardi Gras Cruise. And right here, we're going to see there's only 102 results. And again, the really cool thing about this niche is that when people purchase, they're not just purchasing for one person. Most of the time, they're purchasing for like the whole family. You know, so you'll get big orders with this niche right here. But here you can see what some of them look like. And I'm not seeing any 2024 ones. Maybe you guys see one. It looks like it's all just 2023. And when we go to TeePublic, oh, I actually forgot to do it, so let me just go ahead and pop that in real quick. But you know, the competition is going to be low as well on TeePublic. I don't know what the hell happened to TeePublic. I used to get sales every day with them. I was making like $300 a month. Oh, there's one right here. Oh, there are a couple. But yeah, so I used to do really well on TeePublic, and now, I mean, look at this. Next payment, $1. I mean, what the hell happened to this platform? Oh, it was like almost like I was getting payments of like $200, $300 payments. But anyways, we can see the competition is low here on TeePublic. Now, if you go to Creative Fabrica, to be honest, because I actually already uploaded a bunch of designs for this niche, and I wasn't really able to find too much stuff. Now, I did find some, but it wasn't really as plentiful as it usually is. So let's just do Mardi Gras Cruise. I actually had to go to Vexels, another website that is similar to Creative Fabrica. I don't like it as much, but you know, I just wasn't really able to find too much, so I had to kind of mix and match. But I was able to get like some, like right here, you could take like this one right here, and then all you have to do is just put 2024 underneath it. Again, you just want to make sure that everything comes with the print on demand, and that was the problem. You know, there was very little. Now, if it doesn't come with the print on demand, what you can do is you can just kind of use these as elements. So what you can do is you can like maybe like take part of this, maybe just this, and then just, you know, maybe you can just take like the cruise right here. Basically take everything except for the text, you know, and then just add in your own text. So you can use this as an element, you know, so you can still use stuff from Creative Fabrica. And that doesn't come with a special license, but you just have to use that as an element. You have to use kind of more like your design skills. But that is going to be it for today's video. So just a short little video, just one niche for you guys. I just kind of want to let you know about the changes I'm going to be making, so that when you see me posting Etsy content, you're not like going like, what the hell is going on? But, you know, I've been on Etsy for a long time. I've been doing on Etsy just as long as merch, you know, and I have a lot of knowledge around Etsy. You know, my shop has almost, I'm about to get to 9,000 sales. It's got 1,800 reviews. You know, I got, you know, star seller, like 3,000 listings. You know, so I have a pretty good amount of knowledge when it comes to Etsy. So if you're interested in Etsy, you know, maybe I can help you out there. But that's going to be it for today. Again, I won't see you guys for a week, so I'll be back probably, you know, next Monday or so. But thanks so much for watching. You guys have a great Thanksgiving if you're celebrating. If not, just have a great week. Hope your guys' sales are pumping and, you know, you're enjoying this Q4. So many blessings to you and your families. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.